Here in the video, we will share the details for the Grok Error Code 524. Before we proceed, I want to let you know that this is my AI avatar and some of the visuals in the video are also generated using AI. However, all the information shared has been manually researched by me. The error comes when users try to upload a PDF or any other kind of document in the Grok app. As per our research, the error is likely happening due to app-related glitches, data usage limits, or temporary issues from the system's end. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to close and restart the Grok app. Once restarted, check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then check the current data usage for your account. To do this, go to Settings, then go to the Data Controls, then select Storage Usage and verify if you have reached your data limit. If you have, this could be the reason for the error. If the error still persists, then try starting a new thread and upload the same document again. Some users shared that doing this resolved the issue without any changes to the file. So try this and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then probably the issue is coming from the system's end. In that case, wait for some time and try again. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.